What's up guys? I have two really cute, really simple hairstyles that I'm going to show you today. They're super simple to achieve and they're centered around a zigzag parting at the front. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. As always, I'd love to hear from you in the comments, so please don't be shy to tell me what you think or if you've got any hair ideas that you'd like to share. So there we go, we've got our Harry Potter style zigzag parting at the front. I always keep it really simple so it's easy to do. And I like to use the water spray bottle to dampen my hair a little, so it's just easier to work with and gives clearly defined partings. It's always cool to find matching color hair elastics to go with your makeup. I love how it just brings the look together and kind of completes that super 90s style that I'm going for. If you've watched a few of my hair videos before, you'll know that I love to finger coil my ends. I haven't had a cut in a while, thanks COVID, and so my ends are really not in the greatest shape, but regardless, I love the look that finger coiling gives me, so when I do it, I just wet the hair and coat it in eco styling gel and wrap around my finger as I show in the video. And that is the first style. Really cute, really simple and easy to do. It's just tied up at the back with the hair grip. So we're on to the next one now. Alright, so this next style is kind of a plain Jane type of hairstyle, but if it's done right, it can be really bold and effective. And the main thing with these low bun hairstyles is to get two things right. First of all, it's the sleekness of the hair at the front and the size of your bun as a second point. So if you're going for that really edgy, modern, model-off look type of thing, you could do a very tight bun or even a messy bun. But if you're going for something with a bit more of an elegant slash old school glamour twist like I'm going for, you really want to try and make your bun as big as possible. And by big, I mean you want to twist your hair loosely and be able to see the sides of your bun if you tilt your head to the side. So the longer your hair is, the easier this is to achieve. Otherwise, you can always get a styling scrunchie to layer your hair over to make your bun even bigger, so you can actually see the sides of your bun without even turning your head. And if you are going for that old school glamour, my last tip is to actually have your hair over your ears so that it kind of tucks it all away and it gives that sweeping effect. And that is a wrap. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.